Alright, this will be a hopefully relatively short video that breaks down the process of image sketches in Solidworks, which is the first step of modeling an aircraft. So to get started, what I'm gonna do is import three views of the images of Boeing 737-800 on the right plane, top plane, and front plane. First, I will open a new file, Solidworks file. The first one. Okay, I need to change the unit first. Okay, I will start with clicking on right plane, then sketch, and go to tools, then sketch tools, then sketch picture. Select this picture. I downloaded it for Solidworks. Okay, now I'll draw a center line from the origin here, origin to the center line, and give it a dimension here. It is 39,500 millimeter. Same as the length of Boeing 737-800. Now I'll drag this image so that it will fit the length. Okay. Now I put this case at the center of the origin. Okay, I think. Okay. Oh, this Photoshop. Okay. Okay, now our first sketch is completed here. Before I finished, I copy this panel to notepad so that I can use it later as other sketches. This is my first sketch. Now I will import the top view of the top plane. Go to tools, then sketch tools, sketch picture. Now we'll import the same picture. Click open. See, at first I need to change this value. And then log the aspect ratio so that other dimensions will change accordingly. Also, I need to change the here. This is vertical, so I need to tilt the sketch 90 degree. Okay. Then I'm going to do the same thing. Put the nose at the center of the origin. Okay. Okay, we have completed the second image. Now we'll import the third image at the front plane. So click at the front plane, sketch, then go to tools, then sketch tools, sketch picture. Then we select the same picture and change the dimension here. Okay. Now double click on the sketch and put the nose of the front section in the center of the origin. I think this is okay. Okay. Now click on OK to complete the third sketch, image sketch. Now we can see how the image look like. See, this is the top view. Okay, fine. So this is the first step of the aircraft design, and we will finish this video here, and in our next video we'll show how to sketch the profiles and guidelines to draw the surfaces of the fuselage. Thank you for watching.